How's it going, YouTube? Biker Mike here again, working on the old GMC Sierra, putting a new door handle on it today. I already replaced one of them, so I thought I'd do a video on it and just point out something to watch for on these old trucks. If you notice that it starts to crack in these spots, then it's likely it's going to come off one of these times when you grab the door handle and give it a good yank to open it. What happens is the bolts in behind that are kind of pressed into place, they start to rust, and then obviously they can't grab onto the plastic anymore because they don't go all the way through, and they're really not held into place the greatest, so to begin with. So that's what happened. So I went ahead and ordered a couple door handles I found on eBay real cheap. They were like $22 shipped for a pair of them. So like I said, I already replaced one, and this is just going to be a little video on doing the other one. So I'll head out to the truck and show you how it's done. Okay, so I'm going to be changing this back door handle. You can see right there how it's all cracked there and up there, so I'm not going to wait till it comes off in my hand and just get it replaced now. So a few things you're going to need: flathead screwdriver, 10mm wrench, and a 7mm nut driver. So we'll start with, there's a nut in there, or a bolt actually, and just gotta take that out. And there's another one down here in the corner. And once again, that's a 7mm nut. And then we're going to want to take this little piece out. So you just pry it up there, pull it off the door handle. Same thing up here with the little lock switch. Just kind of get in behind it carefully. And then the whole thing should lift straight up this way. And off and out of the way. And then you're going to need to peel back this vapor cover here. And then you can see the door handle nuts there. So get in there with the 10mm ratchet wrench. And try and get them off. They might not come off, so I might have to actually break the door handle off to get them off, but we'll see. Yeah, that one already broke. Try this other one. It's not a big deal if they break. Once you get the handle off, you can lock a pair of vice grips onto it on the outside to get the bolt out. So that nut came off fine. You're going to want to save the nuts too, because the new door handles don't come with them. So there we go, got that one off. Handle will pull right through, and then you got this clip. It'll come off, this clip will come off this way. And then we're ready to put the new door handle on. Now this is what I mean down here. So I'm gonna have to put a pair of vice grips on there and get the nut driver on the back there. It's already kind of rusted away here on the truck, so I'm just gonna have to be extra careful. Okay, so now we're ready to put the new door handle on.
I'm just gotta tighten up these nuts. And $22 for two door handles shipped. It's pretty cheap too.
You just don't want to over tighten these, you just want them snug, because it is just pressed into the, or molded into the plastic, so probably wouldn't take much to have them pull right through. I'm probably going to order 2 more and do my 2 front doors. And another little tip here for the winter time is to give your door seal a nice spray with some silicone spray, so that'll help prevent the door from freezing to the door seal. You know, make it a lot easier to open the door, so you're not trying to break that free with just those door handles with those crappy little bolts in there. So just another little tip there. And obviously it all just goes back together the same way it came apart. Just re-stick your vapor barrier back into place as best you can. You can always put some new sticky goop on there if you want, but I'm not too worried about it. And then yeah, put the door piece back in there and everything back in place the way it was. There you go. Job's done.